Classmate with both Eagles, North Carolina Central University.
All that bad.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
These french fries real good. Y'all just don't know. This is getting ready to be real good, baby. This is getting ready to be real good. You haven't been together in a long time.
It's been too long.
And as you cat, you drink the milk, and as the cat finishes the milk, the cat began to eat the rat began to eat the rope began to eat the rat began to eat the outside, the water began to eat outside.
In spite of this level of fire, who sometimes you can't even see with the naked eye. Dug a hole. Covered it with leaves and sand. And he goes and sits on a leaf in a tree. Oh, Steve, oh, left in the middle of the night, in the jungle, hunting for food. And I see the spider watching everything go back. Oh, Steve, all of a sudden, blue falls in the hole. Hey!
Actors have to work together. Teams have to work together. Basketball, football, soccer. And my arms are up. Don't drop your arms up. Slowly put it on. What are you doing? What is it? Are you posing for a selfie? You doing a peace sign? Arms up. Arms up.
That's
I'm
a dream everybody
speechless.
Fingers in the hand. I like it. There you go. There you go. There you go, man.
Harry Cummings' real name was Armina Ross, and she come off a plantation in Dorset County, Maryland. It was the Edward Brody's plantation, and they were known for their basket weaving. Well, it takes you to believe in yourself. It takes you, yourself, to believe in yourself. And if you believe in yourself and trust yourself, you can do anything you want to do. It's not going to be the same.
Ooh, South Carolina.
Yeah, we got to be careful in South Carolina. But you know,
I got 3 days with this guy. 3 days.
3 whole days.
Shows and shenanigans.
Anita Baker got a song like that, though. 7 whole days, 3 whole days, some kind of day. Any old way, we get ready to go share our blessings and our gifts to the little children down here. I think we're doing
She
like
love the kids.
10 community centers.
It's a 10.
I think it's 10. But anyway, excuse me.
But
for
that's
chewing.
how we do. No, you
Mhm.
ain't got excuse for
No, we
chewing.
fine.
Everything is good.
Mhm.
Show them the Bojangles, bro. It's
Yeah.
Bojangles.
Bojangles
Yeah.
in the LBG.
Man, I ate mine. I had egg and cheese.
And he went bougie with lettuce and tomato.
I confused the whole restaurant.
So dude, yeah, he
Just from
confused me.
Yeah. Lawrenceburg in the house.
Yeah,
All right, y'all. Here we go.
it's a blessing.
Yeah. Peace.